let's fucking go. Let's fucking do it. All right, so in System Index, we have added a new system called ARTTOOLs that is going to be used by ArtGirl. So let's go down to the next section. So there's nothing here in the ARTTOOL constants, and then we have this special section, tools used by ArtGirl. Why are they here? Why are they in this weird-ass section? Because ArtGirl breaks fucking rules, and so does her fucking toolbox. Right beneath const macros by system. So we have this data section, or this shader string that has a name that looks very similar to this name for reasons. And we have the internal local, the discrete units in a tile, and the tile size exponent. We're going to use all of these things to squash or stretch the discrete internal local, to remap this internal local. Right now we're doing absolutely nothing. We're doing absolutely nothing, but we'll write the logic for this function in another video. Okay, and this section is right above the psycho bitch macros. Okay, down here in the ArtGirl use feature macros, inside of here we've added this, actually no, we've turned this on, we've turned on the feature, but we've also added this debug flag to add like debug code to debug this feature as we're working on it. Okay, so in shader number 8, which is our bombs for Josh shader, ARTTOOL includes, right beneath the common macros, if we have the GPW feature on, then we're going to include this function that you just saw. And then down here, I can see the future, right? Well, I fucking lied. I cannot see the fucking future. If this tool is on, what we're going to do is we're going to create this variable called dill warp, which is going to be rudill with a space warp applied to it. And we're going to do it separately both to the x and the y-axis because I could not write the logic correctly when I was doing vector math. So we're going to keep this to one-dimensional math and just call the function twice. So now we just have to get the math correct on one dimension, and hopefully my brain can compute that. Okay, so down here we commented this out. It's right beneath I'm giving it all she's got. This was extraneous. We did not fucking need to calculate that. And right here, beneath the ArtDo data section, we have the ARTTOOL data section. There is nothing here because this just breaks a lot of rules, right? It's a pattern breaker. Okay, so down here, the ARTTOOL function section. There's nothing in here. There's nothing in here. Nothing goes in here. Yeah, a lot of weirdness to the ARTTOOL section. There's nothing I can do about it. Here's what I did previously. We have footnotes and stuff. I need to get the fuck out of here. So if you want a longer explanation, you can go here. You are here. And then source code is here. Ways of getting a hold of me is here. Like and subscribe. My name is Kanji Coder. I'm making a game engine from scratch and documenting every single line.